Hey there, I had a car issue and I was shocked when I received the quote from the auto repair shop. It was expensive and I wasn't even sure if they were quoting me fairly. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and I stumbled upon this amazing app called Auto Market Rep. It's been a game changer for me. I submitted a request on Auto Market Rep app and received multiple quotes from different repair shops. It was so easy to use and saved me so much time and money. I'm still discovering the app and found I can submit requests for all my auto needs as auto glass detailing, towing, tires, and wheels, and a lot more. And not only that, but you can also set auto reminders for things like oil changes and tire rotations. I am so grateful to have found this app and I just had to share it with you all. Try out Auto Market Rep today and see for yourself how easy and convenient it is. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.